Oh, I'm sorry. That was a little bit too violent. You ready?
Yep.
All right. Bill's going in. I'm totally petrified right now. What if somebody put nails up in here and say, come and hit me? And it just comes out of nowhere and blasts him.
Kind of lame.
Yeah, I think this might be, in fact, the lamest machine ever.
Okay, that was.
Totally want that dollar back.
It was $2.
Yeah, I felt like I had my window down going 60 miles an hour. Hurricane force. I could totally take on a hurricane.